I'm Vicky Zimmerman and I am a writer. I also write under the name of Stella Newman. I've had 5 novels published. My first one was 10 years ago. It was a bestseller called Pear Shaped. My work has been translated into 8 different languages. I've been published all over the world. I always wanted to be a writer, but my family thought I should have a proper job, so I did lots of jobs before I became a writer. My books are about relationships, so I think they should appeal to men and women equally, but I think the way that fiction is marketed is often certain colour books for girls, so pink books for girls and blue books for boys, and I think that's an unfortunate side product of marketing, but my books are to be enjoyed by anyone and everyone. I feel really lucky to live in this area because it's near lots of green parks and spaces, which I find really helpful when I'm thinking or just to read a book. It's also got loads of lovely coffee shops. I can go and have a read in one of them, sit down and have some caffeine, and really pretty streets and houses, and then it's got some lively bars at night. So yeah, it's kind of got everything a writer needs. As a novelist, you go through many stages in what you want to write, whether that's a mind map at the start of a project, or if you have an idea in the middle of, a commute and you have desperate to get it down, or if you want to write longhand in a more thoughtful way. It's so easy nowadays to type. When I type, I can write a lot of words very quickly, but actually I get the best ideas and the best writing when I am using a pen, because I think it takes that extra time to go from your brain through your hand, and it makes you a little more thoughtful. So as much as I would like to rush it, the work is better when I write it down. The Magic Notepad, you can do any one of those things. I really love the pencil. It's got a very soft nib, so it feels completely natural, and you can just, whether you're doing a thick stroke or a very defined line, it's just a completely pleasurable experience, really natural, really easy, and you can rub it out. The screen feels just like paper. I mean, the pen and the screen combined, it's just like writing with ink on a piece of paper. The Magic Notepad uses the Google ecosystem, so you can just with one click go in and download whatever apps you want, whether that's for fun or for work. It's seamless. The 3-colour mode and the ease you can switch between those modes. So you've got, I think it's called natural colour, which is great for watching entertainment, and then if I just want to read, light colour is much more gentle to just relax with, and then when I'm writing, I really like the e-ink mode because it's just very crisp and sharp. It's really nice to use. One really cool thing is that it's got this one-click function on the pen, so if you have a great idea and you just want to jot it down quickly, you press this little button on the pen, touch the screen, and you're straight into notes. It's really good thinking. I have a very active brain. I imagine all humans do. I can only speak for myself, but if I don't write something down, it gets lost. So I think it's really key to write things down. It really helps me stay organised. In terms of productivity, I love this product because everything is in one place. I can just put one thing in my bag. I don't need notepads and separate books. It's all there, and I can capture all my ideas. And particularly when I'm traveling, it's just amazing portability, and it's very streamlined. What I find really helpful personally is writing things down and ticking them off. I just find it very satisfying. And start small, break things down into manageable chunks, and stay off your mobile phone.